How to add bio on Reddit application. Are you guys facing issues to add bio on your profile? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Reddit on your mobile device. Once you open the Reddit app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, now look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see a profile. Tap on it. Now hit the profile button. Now tap on edit. You can see the about section over here. Write down the bio according to your preference. After you write it down, just simply hit the save button. As soon as you hit the save button, your bio will be added on your profile. And that's it guys, that's how you're gonna add bio on your Reddit application profile. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding Reddit application, make sure to comment down below. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.